Hey guys, so it's packing day. I am gonna try to figure out how to get all of this in here. So we're probably gonna have to take some things away, but we'll see how it goes. Well guys, that took a long time and I've only packed for Antarctica so far, and it's taken up about 2/3 of my suitcase. So the other few months of travel will have to go in the rest. Oh boy. We're now at the part of the video where we have to take things out of the suitcase. We have a very full suitcase. You can see not everything fits in there. And we still have all of that to fit in, plus toiletries and snacks. And snacks are really important. So let's see what we can do. Okay, I have to take a little packing break because this is hard. I don't know how people backpack around the world. I can't suitcase around the world. We're here now. Took some things out. Everything still doesn't fit, but that's just clothes. I still have all like toiletries and supplements and a whole bag of snacks. Very important snacks. Hey guys, so it's 9 hours later. I've finished packing. I took a little break for church tonight and to take a bath, but I was able to finally zip up the suitcase. I had to take a whole lot of stuff out, which is a bummer, including my pajama pants and my banana shirt and my lounge pants for the boat on Antarctica. Those are the things I'm gonna miss the most. But I have my passport and my penguin suit. Everything else is gonna be okay. All right.